Hello everybody, I'm going to the supermarket to buy some things. Can I have a bottle of juice, please?
Okay. That's 113, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you. Who buy all this?
I saw it on your phone. You ordered 4 boxes of juice.
Did I?
Yes. Give me more money, please.
This is so expensive.
10 more pounds. 10 pounds.
8 pounds. 3 more pounds.
Thank you. Oh, give me the water bottle. I need to scan it first.
Okay. Can you slide it down?
Yes, I can slide it down for you to watch. Beep,
This is the
Beep.
scanner because this
Beep. beep.
Okay.
Let me see. Is $1,000, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your water bottle.
Thank you.
Thank you. And here's the last one.
The last one.
Do you need any more things? I sell all things.
Can I have one helmet?
Okay. Look. Beep.
Now
Let
it
me
has to
see.
be a store too.
It's $100, please. It's $25. Thank you. Oh, this is too big.
Can you
I
spin it?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you need anything more? I have lots of things. Oh, it's getting to rain.
Okay.
Oh, your house is uncovered. You need an umbrella.
Yes. I need an umbrella.
Let me see the pound. Okay.
How many?
Let me take it up. I need to close this.
I wish. Is this 100,000 pounds? I don't think it would be that much.
Here. It's 200 pounds, please.
Ooh. Thank you. Can I have an umbrella, please?
Do you need any more things? I have a new daughter.
No, I don't want.
She can be a new baby.
No,
She is very cute.
no.
She is.
How could I put this umbrella?
I know. Here you go. I know how to make it big. Here you go. Give me it. I remember the step is to step on it.
Are you sure?
Is this right?
The grown-up didn't step on it. Why?
Now you pull.
No, I will do it by myself. What should we do?
Give here.
Thank you so much for the umbrella.
Oh, it's starting to rain. Can I have it? You
Yes.
and me can have it together.
Okay, even my baby have it.
This umbrella is big.
So we can have 2 people in.
Yeah.
We will sometimes the 3.
Bread too. Oh, I know how to make a counter with this. Come with me. Let's put it right here.
Okay,
Is this going to be our sleeping place?
yes, a sleeping place.
This is too small.
Yes.
Ah, I another place. I think this donkey will work.
Can I buy a hat?
Yes, you can buy it. You can take anything you want.
But I need a hat.
Can I have this umbrella? Please? Ooh, this shelter is great for me.
I have some hat too.
The water is thick. The water is thick. Go in. Go in.
Okay. It's raining all day.
This would take forever to stop.
Yes. Who was it in the chair?
Teddy will.
This would take forever.
No. It will take a few years.
What?
Yes.
I need to go ask with the hat. What should I do?
Oh, another shelter. Here is the shelter.
Yeah. Teddy, come with me.
I can bring the chair along.
Can I have this?
I will grab Teddy and you will grab Teddy. Here, let's put it right here. What's a tablet fall down?
You make it.
Let's just close it down. But it won't fall down.
Oh no, winter!
Winter is coming.
Yes, winter.
Put the pen here.
No, I will hold it. I will hold it. You just stay there. I will hold it. Careful. It's winter, everybody.
Oh,
Stay
this
in
is so cold, right?
Yes. I'm freezing.
Let's go in. Go in. Go in.
Yes, I'm even my baby.
Oh, I know. This in here. In here.
Can you hold my Teddy? Can you hold my
Here. Go out. Go out. I have a new shelter.
I know one.
Here it is. The shelter. Give me that umbrella. I know a perfect shelter. Here it is. Let's go in.
Let's go in.
We need to put this out. Keep going.
What is this?
Okay. I found this. Ooh. Yes, this is the hay.
Yes, this place is perfect. Winter has almost passed. Only a few days more.
Oh, I think winter is 3 years. Oh, a refrigerator. A table that I can eat with.
Yes. You make it clean, so you need a plate. You don't think you want to make
Yeah.
Where's the plate?
I think I found it.
Okay. Where's the spicy hot?
No, we need to cook it in the oven for 32 minutes.
Okay. Can I go out?
Winter is don't pass right now. It's too stuffy. You need you need this. Cover your head.
No, I can do it.
Then I will cover my head with this. Now, let's go out. Let's go out.
Where's my baby?
I think you're looking for this girl. Let's go out. Let's go out.
Let's go out. With each other. This is fun.
Let's go out. Let's go out.
This is funny.
No, I am not funny at all. You look funnier.
Look, I have an umbrella. So
Oh, a helmet. See, there's so there's a rock storm. We
It's
need
so fine. Some big one. Big fast
we
now.
need to go in our shelter right now.
Hurry. Let me put it. Hurry in.
Yes, my helmet. I need my helmet.
Come on.
It's
Get
my
it.
helmet.
Come on in. I get the cookie.
Quickly, quick as you can.
Okay.
The storm is coming.
Yes.
Oh, I can sit right here.
We can eat some dinner when the storm passes.
Let's cook it in our oven. Put it in.
Okay. Our oven. Sorry, yourself.
I will. Done. We can warm our body with this. I will put it here. Ah, so warm.
Yes.
This spot is so warm. Here you go.
Thank you for the food. Let's eat it together.
I have a miniaturized table. I just need to try this out.
Are you sure you can
Ah,
do
I know. A planter. I knew I have this. You see this? There's a planter here.
Yes. Can we eat our dinner now?
Yes. And I will plant all these things out while you are eating.
I will wait for you. Let me do it.
This is so hard.
Let me do it.
No, let's just eat without this table.
Nope, I need this. I need this. Let me.
You cannot plant it.
I can in another way.
Oh, I know. We can make this. No, you don't have to. This looks good.
A shelter is really good.
No, it's stuffy.
Yes. We need to go out.
Okay, let's wear my helmet. Oh, it snapped. It snapped out. When you and me are worried. Let's go. Tabby can use this for a shelter.
Nope, I have an umbrella within.